2023 Cadillac Escalade is one of the most recognizable vehicles today. Its massive dimensions and distinctive styling make it an imposing figure on the road. It's anything but subtle, which is likely the statement that owners are out to make. This year, the Escalade lineup adds a new version that will leave an even more outrageous impression, the Escalade-V. If you're familiar with Cadillac, you'll know it uses the V moniker for its high-performance versions. The new Escalade-V follows suit by way of its supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that produces a thumping 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. It's enough to get this big SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. According to Cadillac, the Mercedes-Benz GLS and BMW X7 are smaller and less capable when it comes to towing but offer more luxurious interiors. The Escalade doesn't trail by much, so be sure to check out our expert rating below to see where it shines and what could use some improvement. The 2023 Escalade is a three-row luxury SUV that seats 7 passengers standard and offers 8-passenger seating with an optional second-row bench seat. It's available in 6 trim levels: Luxury, Premium Luxury, Sport, Premium Luxury Platinum, Sport Platinum and V. All but the Escalade-V comes standard with a 6.2-liter V8 and rear-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive is optional. A turbocharged 3.0-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine is also available. The most direct rival is Cadillac's crosstown rival, the Lincoln Navigator. The Navigator, too, uses truck-based bones and a powerful engine, giving both some of the best tow ratings of any SUV on sale today. Others include the Lexus LX 600 and Infiniti QX80, though we don't think either is quite as good as the Cadillac. If you're just looking for a spacious and well-appointed people carrier, we recommend checking out the BMW X7 and Mercedes-Benz GLS, both of which offer performance variants similar to the Escalade-V. Should I lease or buy a 2023 Cadillac Escalade? Is it better to lease or buy a car? Ask most people and they'll probably tell you that car buying is the way to go. And from a financial perspective, it's true, provided you're willing to make higher monthly payments, pay off the loan in full and keep the car for a few years. Leasing, on the other hand, can be a less expensive option on a month-to-month basis. It's also good if you're someone who likes to drive a new car every 3 years or so. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.